You know when you was a little kid and you used to go to the store like with your parents and you would feel so excited, right? You would be like running around, be so excited to show your mom and dad like, look, they have this. Well, Chad, that's how I feel. Oh, Dollar Tree has this mug, okay? Push and latte mug. Look at this. The gingerbread man, what the hell? Okay. Now, these are $3. So cute. Let it snow. Happy holidays. Ho, ho, ho. Wait, hold on, Chad. We got one more. Oh, this is the same one. Cute. So, Dollar Tree has these new hats. Honey, when I tell you these are cute, look at these. So they have the gnome hats, okay? They also have the snowman hat. They also have just the regular smaggler jolly hat. And these are $5. Really, really cute. Hey, look. You better not ever say I didn't bring you the heat that was moving your feet, okay? Check this out. The best Dollar Tree items in 2024. New, by the way. Check this out. So, Dollar Tree has these LOL slippers. Jill, look at these. Okay, for $1.25. When I tell you, Dollar Tree is not playing with you folks, Dollar Tree is not playing with you folks. Let's see what else they have. I'ma just grab me a pair for my youngest daughter. So Dollar Tree has this new Australian natural. This is cleansing hand wash. Honey, you see how big this bottle is, okay? And it is paraben free, infused with jojoba oil, avocado, rosehip oils to gently cleanse, leaving skin feeling nourished. Honey, let me go on and get this big bottle that's gonna last me for a whole year for the remainder of 2024. Peace, family, peace. So I wanted to insert this clip because, honey, if you see this at Dollar Tree, this product is so good. And let me tell you something. They sell it for $12 and something on their website, but if you go to Amazon, I think Amazon want like $17 for this product. I had went back to Dollar Tree after I had did my research on it. Dollar Tree that I went to in to the New Jersey folks, and the reason I say New Jersey because I want the ones that live over here, and even you out of town, it's okay, come right to visit, because let me tell you something. They have some amazing products at this store. All the stores I go to, they have unique products. Some things you may have not seen before. Some things you may have seen, but child, when I tell you, so it is this. It is the Sunken. Child, I didn't even know what I was carrying. Okay, all right. I went to Dollar Tree after I went online to see about this product. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first off, I know I had read some of it like while I was in the store, but let me tell you something. No petroleum, mineral oils, no synthetic fragrances, no animal products, no artificial colors, no harsh detergents, no MEADEATEA. Okay, and honey, let me tell you, this is all naturally created, okay? And this is the signature cleansing hand wash. On Amazon, they want like $17 for this product. Now, when I went to the Dollar Tree, when I first seen this morning, it was about 9 of them. I went back to the Dollar Tree, they had 0. Somebody purchased the rest of them. Oh my goodness. So be on a lookout for this. And I'm going to roll a clip. Okay, finish watching the video. Honey, you want to stay to the end because you're going to be missing out on some things if you're not watching to the end. Okay, all right. And then it was 2 other items that I had got.
Now, I had showed you guys these nails when I was in Dollar Tree. Now, I'm like, I don't know if this gonna fit my thumbnail, right? This one right here, I don't know. But I said, you know, these fancy, it has that metallic look. Really, really cute. But, child, this next product right here, this is the Hydrating Mascara. They had about two of the shelves, you know, the little things where they hang the stuff up. They had two of these filled. I don't know if they're going to have any more left. Probably they will. But I said I needed to grab one of these. And this is the mascara, $1.25. This is Hydrate Mascara. I never even heard of Hydrate Mascara. Okay. So I haven't tried this yet, but I keep you guys updated and let you know how it is. But it says give your lashes a boost of hydration and volume. Okay. Hello. Make sure you guys finish watching the video. Peace. Peace, family. So after I did about 3 Dollar Tree hauls, I had to use the public restroom, and I said, what a perfect time where so I can test this Sunken cleansing hand wash out. And let me tell you something, it was absolutely good, okay? And it lathers very, very well. One of the things, like when I buy hand soap and stuff like that, for me, I like for it to lather, okay? And this was definitely lathering. Absolutely good. And what I really like about this product, that it doesn't have any harsh chemicals in here. If I only would have known exactly what this was when I went to the Dollar Tree, honey, I definitely would have purchased more. But if you see this cleansing hand wash at your Dollar Tree, I'm telling you now, you want to get you a bottle. Okay, really, really good.
Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, tremendous day. If not, do understand and get that your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Message: whatever is showing up in your life, don't stay there. It is okay for us to feel those emotions, but you do not want to stay there for a long period of time. And if you do decide to stay there, okay, let me tell you something. It's going to cause you to ask for something better in life. So whatever is showing up in our lives is neither good nor bad. It's just polarity, okay? It's just the way we tend to see things. And with that being said, as you can tell from my background, okay, I am on my way inside Dollar Tree. Let's go inside. My intent, and I swear, you know, I swear my intent was not to come here and purchase anything from Dollar Tree. But honey, when I tell you the things is hitting, the things are hitting. Check this out. Another phenomenal item for 2024, honey, is this. Okay, the Brazilian Mist. Now, this is the dupe. I had showed you guys this time and time again. I think it's called Dijo De Niro. Okay, honey, okay, this is $1.25. It smells so good. And if you can get your hand on the wipes that they had that was with this, honey, you are a lucky soul, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have this liquid skin, the Better Bandage, for minor cuts, cracks, and abrasions. This is 100% waterproof, quick dry, ouchless, no sting, long lasting, flexible protection, seal and protect, $1.25. Another item that is, honey, I swear, if you go to TJ Maxx, I told you guys this last time, they have the fizzers, which is these, and you're not going to be able to get 2 frizzers for $1.25, but Dollar Tree sure has them. This is the eucalyptus, and I believe this pink one. Let me see. This is the cranberry and pine shower frizzer. You've been looking for the patches for under the eyes, and you also wanted to do lip mask. Check this out. So Dollar Tree right now, they have this hydrogel eye and lip mask. Okay, really, really good. One pair eye mask and one pair, I guess, the lips. And this is watermelon scented, all for $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree also had the Old Spice Pure Sport. Now, I was shocked about this, okay? I was really, really shocked. Now, this is, you know, like the travel size, but $1.25, child, still deal. And what about this? Essentially ageless, okay? Collagen Nourishing Moisturizer. And then they also have the Collagen Night Moisturizer, all for $1.25, still deal. Okay, when you come into Dollar Tree, when are you getting down to Dollar Tree with the tea? Okay, listen, they have some new items. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has these press-on nails, press and run, no glue needed. Honey, I still probably do the glue just to be on the safe side. This color, I absolutely love it. Okay, really, really cute. You know, it gives it like that metallic look, okay? And then they also have these. And look at these, honey, fancy pantsy, all for $1.25. So you get 12 pieces for $1.25. Really cute. They also have the nail wraps. Now, what you do is zero drying time. Salon results last up to 10 days. Select the size that fits your nails. Gently remove the nail wrap, holding a silver strip. Hold nail wrap by the silver strip and place the rounded side at the nail base. Sticky side down. You can gently peel off and reposition without damaging the strip. So basically, it's like, you know, sort of like tape, okay? But the tape that's gonna have your nails looking spazzling and dazzling, okay? So this is $1.25, 12 pieces, neon nail wraps. So Dollar Tree has these mugs over here. Now, I absolutely love these mugs. These are $1.25 and they are huge, okay? So make sure you guys are checking your local Dollar Trees out and see if they have the new, okay? Now, these are products that I'm bringing that's really hitting in the remainder of 2024. Let's go. Remember how I said before that I'm going to bring the heat that's going to have you moving those feet? Okay, check this out. So first up, Dollar Tree has added some more standing characters, the 24-inch. Look at the gingerbread man. Honey, isn't he gingerin'? Okay, really, really cute. Alright, so they also have brought back the vintage lanterns. Now these are $5. They come in two different colors. They have the white, the black, really, really fancy pantsy. And you guys remember I had talked to you about the Christmas flame lantern, the fireplace. How dope and amazing is this? This is also for $5. Really, really done with you. Okay, when you done watching this video, you gonna go to your Dollar Tree. Listen, look at this. Now, Dollar Tree has this wall decor that says Happy Holidays. This is really, really cute. Look at this. Honey, I got another color for you. Hold on one second. What about this color, the white? Really, really fancy. So, this one, it says the same. No, it says Merry Christmas. Now, get into it, okay? With the holly berries up here. Really, really cute. This is $5 as well. Absolutely love it. Now, just in case, if you guys have not got yourself caught up already from my previous Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree has these socks right here. These are the Marilyn Monroe socks collection.
Miss Santel to the office.
These are $3. You get 3 pairs. Oh, and they feel so soft and cozy. I absolutely like these. These are really, really cute. Really cute. Did I buy some from? No, I brought some from TJ Maxx. I should have really got them from here. They also have the Marilyn Monroe slop honey, slipper socks. These are so cute. Okay, oh gosh, the top of it feels amazing. And then they also have, now the slipper socks are $5, but they are worth it. They have the little things up under right here, you know, like the non-skid slick, non-slick, really cute. Now, the other day I was in here and I was so shocked, to say the least, that Dollar Tree has sold paws, bear paw socks, and I had definitely got me a pack of these. It is 10 pairs for $5. Dollar Tree also have these crew socks right here, which are $3, and you get 2 pairs. Get 2 pairs for $3. They come in this pink, and then they also have them in gray. Dollar Tree also have these table decors right here. These little gift presents, whatever you want to name them. These are $5. They have the gold band, really cute, the ribbon, and then they also have the silver. Child, this is fancy pantsy, honey. You need to get a close look. You need to get a closer look. Now, Dollar Tree also have the holiday bush. These are $3, and they come in 2 different colors. So these are the poinsettias, I want to say, along with the holly berries, and they come in white and also in red. Dollar Tree also have these wall decors up here. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, look at this. So this says, it says 4, and then they have the branches up here that you can purchase. I absolutely love this scarecrow. You see this, child? This is fancy. This is next level fancy. Okay, and then they also have these trays right here, which is really cute. They shape like a leaf, and they come in different colors. So they have the red, they also have the green over here, and I believe the silver as well. Really cute. I don't know if you guys can see, because there's sun. Oh no, this is green, child. Team green. Child, when I tell you Dollar Tree ain't playing with some folks, okay? Look at these Christmas trees. So these are the tinsel Christmas decor. Really cute. The trees. Absolutely love this. And of course, this is $1.25. Dollar Tree also have the window decorations for the 4. Really cute. Now, it is 13 pieces window clings for $1.25. I absolutely love the one in the middle. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. I know that's right. And then they also have the autumn one. Gather vibes 4 is in the air. Really cute. But look at the scarecrow, child. This is so cute. So cute. Absolutely love it. Can't stay at a Dollar Tree. Like, I really can't. You know, with all the newness up in the air, every time you turn around is something fun, exciting to see. Really good. Child, and the name brand stuff, next level. Let's go. We are going to check out. We're going to check out this item and then the slippers.